Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos, so if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you my updated studio. I changed a couple of things around, mostly because I got a new computer, and I wanted to show you how I store everything and how I managed to have a studio in my bedroom and keep everything tidy. My studio is basically half of my bedroom, and here is my desk area where I edit videos and stuff like that. This is the new computer I was talking about, and this is where I do most of my work and painting. This area has a lot of shelves. I store everything as much as possible on walls and stuff like that. This is the new wireless keyboard I have and the new mouse. I also got a new cutting board because my old one was pretty busted, and I wanted it to look cohesive with my new computer as well. So I will list everything that I got in the video. I also have a new wall clock, which is the Kit Kat clock, and as I said, I like to store things on shelves. It makes for easy access. This is a shelving unit I bought a couple of years ago, and on the top shelf I store my Instax camera. I have some art prints displayed and a fake plant in a planter I made a while back. On the second shelf I have my tablet, my sketchbook, some glitters I used in my illustrations, my palettes, and some decorative pieces. On the bottom shelf I store my brushes, my pencils, my cutters and scissors, and everything I need to have in handy while working. So this is the computer I was talking about. My boyfriend helped me out a lot with all the components, and he made it from scratch. I will list all the components in case you are interested, but I'm not sure if people are interested in that. However, I do want to specify that this is a very good computer and it's custom built for me, and for editing it works really great. So on the other side of the desk I have a couple of my clothes hanging on this rack. I store my printer here, my inventory in this white storing unit, also my lamination thingy, and up there I have some papers, and I have a big plant that keeps growing, and I also store my microphone on that shelf. This is a pretty convenient way to store my printing paper and sticker paper. Here is my Epson printer. It's great for making prints at home and stickers, and I do have video about how you can make stuff on it. So the printer sits on this IKEA unit, which holds pretty much all my inventory. Inside the unit I got another thing from IKEA which has these sliding shelves. It's perfect for storing art prints and stickers and pins. Here I have my washi tape and pins, a lot of keychains, and mostly stuff you can buy in my shop. I will leave a link to my shop if you want to check it out, but I find that this is the most convenient way to store all of my inventory. It's easy access. I can access everything without moving things around, and it keeps everything in one place, which is very helpful for me. So my desk is also from IKEA. I have two Alex drawers on each side of the table. The desk topper, I couldn't find it on the IKEA side, but it's a wooden one. It's really sturdy, and in my IKEA drawers I store a lot of stuff. So I will show you some of them. In my first drawer I keep makeup, which is not really art related, and in the second drawer it's pretty miscellaneous. I store my lenses, my lip stuff, and some masks and stuff like that. The third drawer is with nail polishes and some ID stuff and all sorts of important stuff. Here I keep most of my papers for painting and small sketchbooks. And in the last drawer it's again pretty mixed up. Some wooden stuff, some stuff for clay things. So in the second unit, the first drawer is filled with packaging washi tape and glues and stuff like that. The second drawer has a bunch of decorative stuff like stamps and a lot of things I use for clay projects. Here I keep my camera and a lot of printer stuff and cables, so it's not very organized. the last drawer is my art supply drawer, and the one before that is with packaging stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this studio tour. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!